So today we're going to be covering the RPC threading. I decided to split it up into 3 different programs to run them separately. So let me get a new terminal session going. Previously, I've already compiled a couple of these, so we're going to show how the RPC thread program runs. This is going to run at random, calling threads and executing them whenever it is possible. So there's a random execution. There's another random execution, and as we can see, it's different. And again, if we look at it, another random execution. And again, another random execution. So that means it's working as we intended, as they're just completing the threads whenever possible. Next up is the interleaved. The interleaved, we used the synchronized to make sure that the threads were going to run in the correct order. And we used waits to enforce waits within those threads to make sure that only one could run at a time. So we are going to run that a few times to show how that works. So it prints off 1, 2 pattern 10 times in a row. Run it again, make sure that's still doing that. And 1 more time, still behaving. And 4 times, it behaves as we expected. The threads are synchronized and printing off in the correct order. Next thing up is the sync code. So the way this runs is it calls the threads in a synchronized pattern and make sure that they execute in the correct order that we want. So this one we're going to compile. And execute. And as we see, 1 10 times, 2 10 times. Again. So all behaving as we would expect using RPC threads and synchronization.